Hi all. So today I just want to express my gratitude to all those people who have contributed for this my book Train and Grow Rich. To start with, I would like to thank Kurima Karthik for the amazing illustrations. All those who have purchased the book will agree with me. If you see all the illustrations in this book, she's really worked very hard on understanding each and every chapter and trying to what is the essence of that chapter. A lot of stories have been said about every topic. This is first, listen up. You see the second, what step by steps have to be taken for a trainer. All those steps have been explained in this book. You talk about how to reach out to your target audience, how to fish them out. The third one, the fourth, how many prospective customers how you can go about doing that. You talk about what is your skill set right now and what needs to be developed as a trainer. Talk about how to build your credibility. Talk about how to build your brand. What are the things that goes behind building your brand. Everything, if you ask me, so and so forth, how do you have, what are the step-by-step approach. That's one thing. Thank you so much Purnima for this. Would like to thank all the trainers who have contributed. To start with, Arun Chitlanje sir for getting me into this training industry. He has played a big role for me, to develop my knowledge and skill for last 7 years. He was the first one, giving me that responsibility to do programs for the training product. Talk about Sekhar Chandrasekhar sir. He's an amazing person and gave me the book called as The One Thing, which when I read that one thing, I realized you have to do only one thing in life. So from that point of time, I started working on the training fraternity. That's one thing. Talking about my entrepreneur journey, I would like to thank Zenobia, ma'am, everyone who is who's working and you want to start their own entrepreneurship is always, whether I'll be able to do it or not. And she said, Asif, I'm there with you. Go ahead and do what you want to do. That confidence of, I can do it. So we'd like to thank everyone. Would like to thank all the trainers for the insights, what they have shared, which I have captured in this book. Also like to talk about the corporate world. They have been very supportive, all the HR heads and L&D heads. There are 8 to 10 of them. The kind of insights what they have shared in this book. If you talk about, the first one, if I have to ask, I'll just share a few insights. You will get to know why you have to buy this book or why you have to read this book. And the kind of insights what talking about. So who are the people who have contributed? One, Jagmohan Rishi. Jagmohan Rishi is the Global Learning and Development Head of WOCARD. And he's get every insight. You have to actually spend some time to understand what the corporate world is looking at. As a trainer, you have to do that. If you talk about all the HR and L&D head, if you talk about Jagmohan Rishi, he's saying, okay, we have a specific problem for which we reach out to trainers. And we want that problem to be solved by the trainer. So that's the key, what problem are they looking at from a corporate perspective. If we talk about, I'll share what Sanjay wants to say. It's like, is there any behavioral change after your training programs? I'm just giving you a small nutshell, okay, what are the different corporates are looking at from different industries. Talking about Mukund Vyas, he heads learning and development for Tata Motors. What he has to say, if you ask me, if you read this, what they want to say, what about push marketing, what about pull marketing, trying to understand what are the different ways you are doing a training program, how it is, how it can help the business to grow. Talk about Mukund Vyas, talking about I've tried to take inputs from each and every industry so that you get what are the different industries are looking forward to. Like what Shiv Bhaskar, earlier he was the Vice President Learning and Development with Tata AIG, now he's a head of a school. So if you talk about his, he talks about, and what an ideal training program should have. 5 features of client-centered, responsiveness, goal-oriented, honest and inquire. There are a lot of key insights which I can't explain everything, but one by one I can tell you, okay, what are the things what they are looking at. Francis talks about, how to understand that organization and return on investment, what they look forward to. Ravi Himnani, he is head learning and development at Siemens. He talks about how you can, differentiate yourself. What are most of the corporates, they talk about, are you a good listener? Do you come up with your own programs and trying to fit in this industry, or you understand them and understand that there are real challenges and how you can bring about innovative solutions to them? And most of them also talks about, your presence. Do you walk the talk, or you just sharing what you don't do it only in your real life? How you have to keep yourself self updated. If you talk about, I can go on and on all this. These corporate insights will really help you to understand yourself better. Even Dr. Anita, she has shared her insights of how learning and development can play an important role for the organization, and how you all can play an important role. But talking about all this, there are so many insights which I have shared in step by step. Those who have read this book will agree with me. You can go and check on Amazon as well. I'll share the link below if you really want to buy this book. You get a discounted price as well. And I'm there with you if you really want to reach out to more number of corporates. If you really want to see to it that how you can help them grow their business, I'm always there with you. Thank you so much. Gratitude to this universe and everyone. Gratitude to Elroy. Gratitude to all the trainers who believe in me and have made this book possible. Look forward to many more things coming up. And thank you so much once again. Thank you. Thank you once again.